Building forms with FormGent is easy, efficient, and powered by AI. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to create your first form seamlessly. To get started, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Then, navigate to FormGent and click All Forms from the menu. Now, click Create New to begin building your form. FormGent offers two ways to build your form. You can either start from scratch for full control or let AI generate a form for you. For example, if you type Create a Job Application Form, FormGent AI will handle the rest, saving time and effort. Now, select your form type. You have four options. Classic Form displays all fields on a single page. Conversational Form shows one question at a time for a more interactive experience. AI Classic Form, similar to Classic Form but enhanced with AI. AI Conversational Form, a more dynamic, AI-powered version of Conversational Form. Pick the format that best suits your needs. If you're using AI, describe your form's purpose, like collect feedback from workshop participants. FormGent AI will generate a tailored form based on your input. Now, customize your form fields. You can add, remove, or rearrange fields using the drag-and-drop menu. Click on any field to adjust labels, placeholders, and validation rules. To rename your form, go to the form options on the right, click the three-dot menu, and select Rename. Enter a meaningful name, like Customer Feedback Form, and click Save. Now, let's configure key form settings under the Form Options tab. In the Pro version, you can remove FormGent branding for a more personalized look. Choose how users are notified after submission. Display a success message, redirect them to another page, or send them to a custom URL. Enable admin notification emails to receive alerts when users submit a form. You can customize the subject, recipient, and content. With the Pro version, you can automate data integration using webhooks, perfect for syncing form submissions with other platforms. Next, let's design your form. Click Design and Share to customize its appearance and preview how it looks on different devices. Enable Share to get a unique link for your form. Customize the cover with solid colors, gradients, or images. Show or hide your logo and title. Adjust the form's width for better display. You can also copy the live link to share your form instantly. Once you're happy with your form, click Publish to make it live. Embed it anywhere using the shortcode, or share the direct link with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created your first form with FormGent. For more guides and tutorials, check out our documentation.